Welcome to Nurling Meadows.
Hussein, Hussein, the hero of truth, a shining light for every youth. In the desert sand so bright, he stood up brave for what was right. Long ago, in a land far away, a dark shadow fell, turning light into grey. A leader named Yazid was cruel and unkind, but the Prophet's grandson left comfort behind. He said, I will never bow to the wrong, for Allah's true message is beautiful and strong. To the city of Kufa, a brave leader went. As a noble messenger by Hussein he was sent. His cousin Muslim bin Aqeel, so loyal and true, to see if the people were faithful to you. But the cruel Ibn Yazid broke every grand state and took the life of Muslim in the palace of hate. When the news reached the camp, the family cried for the brave cousin Muslim who honorably died. Hussein told his sons, you may return to your home. But the boys stood tall, they would not walk alone. They said, we want justice, the castles we will seek. We will stand for our father and fight for the weak. I did not come to fight, the Imam told the crowd. He spoke with a voice that was gentle and proud. Let me live in peace, let the conflict just cease. Let me walk a path where the blessings increase. The commander agreed, and the peace was so near. But a wicked man named Shimr brought hatred and fear. Shimr stopped the peace, and he called for a fight. He wanted a war in the middle of light. They locked up the river, not a drop to receive. A cruelty so deep that is hard to believe. No water for babies, no water for all. But the camp of Hussein stood brave and stood tall. With 72 friends, so loyal and brave, they fought for the deen, the ummah to save. They stood like big mountains against a huge crowd to make the holy prophet so happy and proud. Though they were small, their courage was grand. They wrote a beautiful story in the hot desert sand. When the battle was done on that sorrowful day, the shadows grew long and the sun went away. The soldiers burned tents to set fire to the past, to hide all the letters the Kufans had cast. They burned up the proofs, but the truth did survive. For the love of Hussein keeps the message alive. Hussein, Hussein, the hero of truth, a shining light for every youth. In the desert sand so bright, he stood up brave for what was right. Now we remember the sacrifice they made, a lesson of courage that never will fade. Oh, Allah bless Imam Hussain every day and guide us to walk on his beautiful way. Ameen.
He gave up his life
For truth, fall back.
but never his life.
Attack! Allahu Akbar, prepare to die.
He stood like a rock in the burning sand. Yazid held the steel, but Hussein held the wheel. The body was broken, but unbowed was Hussein.
Wanna hear a secret? Stories grow better when you subscribe. And sharing makes them